Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download YouTube video directly on your laptop or PC. In order to do that, you have to go to the video that you want to download. So yeah, I'm looking for the kind of video that I want to download. So I've located the video that I want to download. So what you have to do is to right click. After I right click, you can see copy link address. So I right click on the particular video that I want to download. So I click on copy link address. The link will be copied. So I have to go to my browsers and then navigate to another tab, and then I'm going to search this particular website. It is called savefrom.net. Then simply just tap on enter, and this is where you can download your YouTube video. So it's going to load depending on your internet location, and then it is, you could see, paste your video link here. So I'm going to right click and then I click on paste. Automatically it's going to search for that video. You could see, you can click on download automatically, or you can click on this down arrow and then you click on the one you want to download, and then click on these three dots and then you click on download. So once you click on download your video, your downloading will be start, and you can see here. So that's how you can download YouTube video directly. I hope this video helped you out. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.